Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's story. Let's dive into an exciting adventure about a brave fishing crew and their journey through a storm. Once upon a time, there was a small fishing boat named Sea Star. The boat belonged to Captain Jack and his crew of 5 sailors. Every morning, they sailed out to the open sea to catch fish. It was their job and their passion. One day, the crew noticed dark clouds forming in the sky. The wind started to blow stronger, and the waves grew bigger. Captain Jack warned his crew, "There's a storm coming. Let's get ready and stay safe." The storm arrived quickly. The wind howled and rain poured heavily. The boat rocked back and forth on the rough waves. Suddenly, the main mast of the boat snapped and fell. The sail tore apart, and the crew knew they were in trouble. Without the sail, the boat could not move properly. The storm continued to rage, and the crew worked hard to keep the boat steady. When the storm finally ended, the sea was calm again, but the boat was badly damaged. The crew realized they needed to fix the mast and the sail to return home. However, they only had a small amount of food and water left. Captain Jack said, "We must stay strong. Let's work together to repair the boat." For 2 days, the crew worked from morning until night. They used ropes, wooden planks, and every tool they had to fix the mast. It was hard work. The sun was hot, and they were tired, hungry, and thirsty. Despite the challenges, the crew did not give up. They encouraged each other and kept working. Finally, the mast was repaired, and they managed to make a small sail using some old fabric they found on the boat. Just as they were about to start sailing again, they spotted another boat in the distance. They waved and shouted for help. The other boat saw them and came closer. It was a big cargo ship with kind sailors on board. The sailors on the cargo ship shared food and water with the crew of the Sea Star. They also helped strengthen the repairs on their boat. Captain Jack and his crew were very grateful. They thanked the sailors and promised to stay safe in the future. With the help of the cargo ship, the Sea Star was able to return to the harbour. The crew was tired, but happy to be home. They told their families about the storm and how they survived by working together and never giving up. The experience taught them the value of teamwork, courage, and kindness. From that day on, they were always better prepared for their fishing trips. Thank you for listening to our story. We hope it inspires you to stay strong and never give up, even in difficult times. Keep learning English and have a great day.